If you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and configure your audio settings for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check audio settings in League of Legends. Open the game and navigate to the settings menu. Click on the audio tab and ensure that the correct output device is selected. Adjust the volume levels for music, sound effects, and voice chat to your preference. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use a driver update tool to ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause desync issues, so updating them may resolve the problem. Step 3. Adjust Windows sound settings. Right-click the sound icon in the system tray and select Sounds. Under the Playback tab, select your audio device and click Properties. In the Advanced tab, try changing the default format to a low sample rate and bit depth, then test the game again. Step 4. Disable exclusive mode. In the same Properties window for your audio device, go to the Advanced tab and uncheck the option that allows applications to take exclusive control of the device. This can help prevent conflicts that lead to audio desync. Step 5. Restart the game and system. After making changes, restart League of Legends to apply the new settings. If the issue persists, consider restarting your computer to ensure all changes take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in League of Legends. If problems continue, consider reaching out to support forums for further assistance.